This week we're going to create some value scale mountains. The paper is going to be vertical. You're going to write your name on the top. And you're going to flip it over. Now we're going to draw some mountains going up. So what we're going to do is, if you have a ruler at home, you can use a ruler. If you do not, you don't have to use a ruler for this. I'm going to start off with the mountain on the bottom right paper. And I'm just going to make a small triangle, a zigzag line. And see, the zigzag line is going downward of the paper. So this is the first mountain. Now we're going to create the second mountain. Now for your mountains, it doesn't have to exactly be the same exact zigzag line. You want to at least have the mountain going down the page, the first one. And now the mountain for the second one is gonna be a little bit more upward. So this is the second mountain. Now the third mountain is going to start towards the middle of the paper. And I'm going to start off with a small zigzag line. Okay, so there's 3 mountains now. I'm going to draw the 4th mountain, which I'm going to start off with going down, the line going down first, and then moving just moving it up and down the page. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna make the last one. Actually, no, we're gonna keep 4 because I think 4 is good enough. It showed the different values. So now I'm just going to outline the zigzag lines. And if the line goes off a little, that's okay because you can erase after you are finished. And now that it's all outlined, I'm going to erase everything that is visible with a pencil. Now I'm going to start. I'm going to take a blue crayon We have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. If you have 4 different varieties of blue, you can use that, or you can just use one crayon. I'm going to color the bottom with the darkest blue. So here is the darkest blue, and I'm pressing down hard. And let's say you don't have, you only have one blue crayon and not any more blue crayons. What you could do is take your crayon and see the value, the color has changed because I'm pressing light with my crayon. So that would be the second value. And the third value would be you press even lighter. And this will be the third value. And the last value you can use, if you have a white crayon, you can use the blue and a white crayon. Color and then take the white crayon and go over the section. So now the colors are different. This is lighter than this one, than this one, than this one. So you can use one blue crayon. You don't have to use 4 other blue crayons. But I'm going to use my other crayons I have here because I'm going to show the friends who have other crayons. See, it goes from dark to light. To lighter. To lightest. And I'm using more blue-green colors. You can use, you just stick to using blue, or you can use the blue-green colors, which is fine. So I'm now going to finish coloring the bottom mountain with the dark blue. And then I'm going to move up to each mountain. The top of the mountain is going to remain white. Here is the finished coloring of the value scale mountains using the 4 different shades of blue.